Namaste my friends, welcome to Hatha Yoga Focus. I am Lalu. Today we are doing a asana practice. It is an asana tutorial. It is called Matsyasana. I think we have already done this asana in the last beginners yoga session, but I would like to give you a proper instruction to do this unique asana. So let's begin the session. Namaste. Before we do Matsyasana, we have to learn the meaning of Matsyasana. Matsya means fish, asana means posture. That equally we can say that Matsyasana means fish posture. It will give you overall benefit for the body on your back, on your lungs and your throat muscles and your digestion as well. So it is very important asana, and I would like also wanted to tell you that if you're facing with a lot of heart trouble or hernia or severe back pain, please I request you not to practice this. It will affect your body very badly. If you are not facing this kind of problems, if you don't have any heart surgery, you are free to practice this asana. So now we are do the asana. You have to place your legs together on your front, keep the knees straight. Slowly you have to lie down on the mat. Roll your hip forward so all part of the spine should be touching on the mat. Place your both palms on the mat, keep your toes upwards, keep your knees straight, shoulders are down. Bring the chin towards to the chest. So from there you can do a couple of deep breathing. You inhale deeply and exhale completely out. Inhale deeply. Exhale down. Very good. Now many teachers will tell you to place both hands by the side of the body. That is also you can do it, but I instruct you to place both hands under the body. So place the palms down under the buttocks. Cover your elbows on the body, under the body. Again, keep the toes together, toes facing up, your knees straight. Again, breathe 2 times. Inhale. Exhale completely out. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely out. Now this part is very important. Keep the knees are straight, toes facing up. Now give the more weight on your palms and your elbows. As you inhale, from there, as you inhale slowly, inhale your head up and your chest up, look at the toes. At the same time, you have to keep your knees straight, toes facing up, your chest is away from the abdomen. Open your chest more up. So you're giving your more weight on your palms and your elbows. Your elbows are firmly on the mat. Then there, as you exhale, extend your throat region, open your chest more up, look up, slowly extend your throat region, bring the crown of the head lower on the mat. From there, and breathe. But do not stress your shoulders. Your shoulders should be relaxed. Your chest is more up. Your throat is extended. You breathe. You can stay there as long as you want. Up to 3 minutes is give you great benefit to the body. You can also stay in the posture up to 10 deep breathing or 1 minute, whatever is possible for you. So this time you are not giving your weight on the crown of the head, you are giving very light weight on the crown of the head. You are giving more weight on your palms and your elbows, so onto your buttocks as well. So the whole body weight is on your buttock, on your palms, elbows, and slightly on the crown of the head. Breathe. As you come out of the posture, inhale deeply, looking at the toes. Exhale slowly, chest down, head down. You're slowly releasing your hands and shaking, rotating your wrist clockwise and anti-clockwise. Turn the head side to side, to the right and to the left, and relax. Again, slowly your legs together, arms behind your head, interlocking the fingers, and stretch the whole body. Exhale, release your hand. Slowly turn the body to the side and slowly come up and sit up. So this is the procedure to do this fish posture, Matsyasana. It is a very important posture because it can give a more benefit to the body, especially lower part of the lungs. People facing with severe asthma, this asana will be very helpful because when you open the chest more up, your lower part of the lungs is opening, so more fresh energy, oxygen going into the lower part of the lungs. So the lungs is more open and you can breathe more freely. And also when you extend your abdominal muscles are stretched. So it will give a good massage to the abdominal organs as well. And many people don't know that this is an excellent practice to get away from constipation. If someone is facing with the constipation, they have to drink 3 cups of water and immediately practice this asana for 10 seconds or 30 seconds. You will find the result. The constipation will be reduced. And you can also see that your throat region is extending. That means the thyroid glands are getting massaged. And also, it is also very important for the whole part of the body. So you have to keep the information in the mind. When you do the regular yoga practice, you can keep this information in the mind. You can add this asana every day on your practice. It will be very good for your body as well. So keep this information in your mind, and I'm going to wind up. And I hope you enjoy the session, and I see you on next Wednesday. So, namaste.